Hello everyone, I am Rinmai Varode
I am Rahul Sindani from Team Crico-Friendly India.
and we are here to represent a short reflection video of our 30 days journey from Project Green Challenge 2020.
Let's dive into our 30-day PGC journey. Let's go!
We realized how urgent call the earth is making to protect it and save it for our future generations.
So, we have to come forward and act now.
The journey began with calculating our carbon footprint. We calculated our carbon footprint and it was really difficult to digest the fact that we were consuming so much of resources from our surroundings.
Learn about the concept of carbon farming, and also we learned how can we practice regenerative agriculture through the movie Kiss the Ground.
We saw various informative movies such as The Story of Plastic, which depicted how globally the plastic waste is generated and how it is treated. Ultimately, it goes into our soils in the form of microparticles where our food crops grow. These food crops which we consume and take into our bodies in the form of microplastics. Give a thought.
We learn how the solution to all our greenhouse gases lies under our own feet, that is soil.
We learned about various ways through which we can cut down our food waste and our domestic waste.
We also designed a course inspired from the challenges we took from the PGC 2020. All we learned from the Project Green Challenge is that it's not a journey, it's not a 30-day journey, but it's a lesson that has lifelong impact. We made commitments. We took the pledges to become more eco-conscious and make others too. We made call to actions to the masses and spread the message of awareness to protect our planet. We also contacted various social leaders and activities to spread awareness with us and bring out mitigations in our community.
We came to know how preservation of biodiversity is an important criteria of the ecosystem. We came to know that we need to save our bees in order to adapt to the changing environmental conditions. Climate justice is social justice. This is what we learn. Intersectional environmentalism protects the vulnerable parts of the society from the acts of the privileged ones which affects the vulnerable parts of the society. They are always left out and are the sufferers of the changing climatic conditions. We realized how important it is to cast our vote because it is our constitutional right. We need to cast our vote to change the system. We need to vote because we want a change. We want a sustainable planet. We want our actions to be implemented. We want our words to be heard. We went meatless. We learned about various ways to prepare a Flossen meal. We also prepared one. We went meatless. We came to know how going meatless can protect and save the ecosystem, can save the food web. We came to know that we should be avoiding the use of high energy intensive equipments and switch to renewable sources of energy such as solar energy. We need to save water because every drop counts. The key to a greener planet is in your hands. The nation that destroys its soil destroys itself. Slow the flow, save H2O. There is no beauty in the finest clothes if it makes hunger and unhappiness. Thrifting is most uplifting. Let's thrift. Don't be a fossil fool. Biodiversity is the way, so don't let nature go astray. All we have to do is to wake up and change. What we stand for is what we stand on. That is our planet Earth.
When you throw it away, there is no away. There is no planet B. So be gentle with Earth. Earth, save life. Buy less, choose well and make it last. The key to a greener planet is in your hands. It's only one straw saved 8 billion people. So cut the use of plastic. Truth be told, biodiversity is worth more than gold. Don't panic. Go organic.